Hello, everybody. My name's Aaron Mason. This is the photo that we're going to be kind of observing and kind of dissecting right now. We see right here, this is a picture of a bridge being constructed over a kind of a ravine or a gorge. So what's obvious is obviously this building is constructed. It's an older photograph, so we see this kind of like ravine of sorts that has a lot of trees. But what's not obvious right here is necessarily like the age. So this has a lot to do with my content area. This specific photo, obviously, it states that this is in the West Virginia State Archives. This photo crosses the New River Gorge, and what's interesting about this in terms of what's not clear about this is the Appalachian Mountains, and the fact that this is called the New River Gorge is that the Appalachian Mountains are the oldest mountains in the United States. So like the new kind of things that are being brought by human, development along with the old things that are within that are geography based is kind of these are develops all these emotions of like progress and like moving forward and kind of a human's adaptations to the old or to the old problems with new solutions. I would say that overall, like this picture kind of draws this sense of like how can we, you know, construct new things, and kind of surpass old problems that we've had overall. And as well, at least in my content area, it starts kind of developing these questions is like, well, why is the New River Gorge called the New River Gorge? And like, how did the geographical, like, and the geomorphological things happen to create this mountain range?